Welcome to another Power Pivot screencast from Michelle and Ed. Ed and I are both technical writers for Microsoft. In this video, we'll show you how to create new data in your Power Pivot workbook by adding a calculated column. A calculated column is a column that you add to a Power Pivot table. A calculated column is based on data that already exists in your Power Pivot workbook.
In the Power Pivot window, select the Fact Sales table.
On the Design tab, in the Columns group, click Add. I'm going to create a formula that calculates total profit.
Enter the formula in the formula bar above the table. Autocomplete helps you as you type. The formula language is called DAX, or Data Analysis Expressions, and it's a new language included with Power Pivot. For more information, visit the DAX pages online.
Every formula begins with an equal sign. To calculate total profit, I'll start with sales amount, and then subtract total cost and return amount. Column names are contained inside brackets. I type an open bracket, and as I start to type the column name sales amount, autocomplete finishes it for me. I click Tab to accept sales amount. Next, I type a minus sign and then an open bracket for the total cost table. I click Tab to accept the correct auto-completed column name. Finally, I type another minus sign and then enter return amount. My formula looks correct, so I press Enter.
Values are populated for all the rows in the calculated column.
I rename the column by right-clicking Calculated Column 1 and selecting Rename Column. I type Total Profit and then press Enter.
When I scroll down through the table, I see that rows can have different values for this column based on the data that is in each row. For more information on calculated columns and formulas and for help with other Power Pivot tasks, please visit us online and check back as we continually add new documentation and videos. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful.